ver. Ajá. Actualizar. Exactamente esta. Ok, a ver. ¿Se está escuchando? Ok. Sí, no se escucha bien. Bueno. Bueno. Alright. Alright. US 100. We're looking at US 100. It's 9:25. I just arrived from a 1 hour long trip from my grandparents' field, but we arrived in time. I arrived in time to trade a little. So we have some issues here. We have this high, which obviously has been taken by ES. It has not been taken by NQ. So according to the daily bias, let's say daily candle movement, we should be bullish, but if we look at ES, we could be bearish, because this could be like this could be understood as a swept of liquidity, and this long wick and close below previous daily high can be understood as retracement to this fair value gap. Initially I will be bullish, but if I see like indicators of bearish price action, then I will change my bias. So going to the 1 hour. Opa, okay. It's kind of like accumulation in lower time frame. All right. Okay, let me check. Okay, so new day here, 6 p.m. Asia here. Price respected this bearish fair value gap, and price started running lower. We'll have to see how this candle closes, but looks like it will disrespect this last bullish fair value gap. In the 15 minute, let's check this. I mean, this obviously is showing bearish tendency, like lower lows and lower highs. Have a low, a high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, like that. Okay, so if I'm bearish, this will be my first objective. And we also have, okay, So one thing is if like it's not the best day because we're in a accumulation day. Like if you see it on the daily, like usually when price is about to take high time from level, or after taking a high time from level, price will range a little, like as you see everywhere. Like here it was ranging a little, where else, here too. Before reversing or retracing, you have these shitty days, like here too, here also. So it's not like strange the price do this. So you see price just ranging within this range. Well, there you see. Okay, 9:30 open. Price for now is respecting the mean threshold of this Asia first presented fair value gap. As you see, it's perfectly respecting the mean threshold. It went all the way down and now it's going high. The only way I would be bullish is after price retraces, which already did, and now disrespect that this 15-minute fair value gap. If it doesn't, I will search for shorts. Yeah, I will search for shorts. So my strategy is based on, if we're bearish, I would like to see a sweep of buy side liquidity, which may be these highs, and price respecting this bearish fair value gap. So if price does that, I will be looking for a displacement, an inversion of this fair value gap, of this bullish fair value gap it will create, and well, later on a retracement on another block. I won't open now. Like you could say that price swept this as a buy side, which I mean it's valid. Yeah, why not? This will be the buy side rate, low resistance liquidity rate, displacements lower, and you could enter if you want here, or here, or here, here. If you're gonna go short, because theoretically this is the order block, but first of all I want to see this 5-minute trade. Like I want to see this 5-minute fair value gap finish its movement. After that I will enter short. Like this is pretty bearish, but yet we still have 12 minutes for the 15-minute candle to close, so we have a lot of time. Well, as I said, you could have open here, and I could theoretically open if price comes here and put my stop loss maybe here, just aim to this low. Obviously after price closes and closes below this bullish candle, like if it closes here and it retraces back and touches the low, this order blocked, that could be my entrance. This is not the highest probable trade, I think. Like here, if price comes up, well, sometimes it won't. because it's price. It's not like you will do whatever you want. So yeah, like this could have been our entrance, but I don't like these short trades, like 1 minute rapid trades. I prefer more long and structured trade, because here you have you have less, like these are less probable trade because it's 9:30, so you don't know if price will retrace down and then expand higher. It's less probable, but it's more quick. So if you're right, you get it right quick. If you're wrong, you will stop out quick. So that's the thing, you know. And if we're bearish, if we're truly bearish, we'll go to this previous day low, and I want to open in a, like, in the best case 5 minute. If I can't, I will open in the 2-3 minute. But that's fine. Let's put it in the middle, right there, there. So we just swapped Asia lows. I'll take this out. So I will just wait for price to retrace a little. No, you know what? Maybe this could act as a fair body of as an order block, because you could say that is the last 2 bearish candles before the change in state of delivery. It'll be weird that price retraces 40 pips. It's still a possibility. It's not giving me any chance, any kind of entry. Like here, let's check this out. I have this. You have okay. All right. Price not giving any entry. 5 minute, or the 1 minute. It's just displacing lower. So this could have been, like as I said, the entry, like as I said before, short-term entry, like price retrace back. You can just put it here, and you could have aim here or lower. Fuck this shit. Invest. Delivering. Well, if it doesn't, oh, we have a little SMT. So maybe now, before sweeping fucking previous daily low, price will retrace because we have an SMT, you know, obvious. Let's check this out. We have this low is an order block. You see this? That's an order block. You know, the problem is that price does this and it already continue expanding lower. So what's the issue? You don't know where to put your stop loss. You don't know if price will retrace here, here, here. So you should wait until the price finish retracing, displays lower, and then you put, like, if price now continues placing lower, and let's say it closes up below this low, you can say, all right, so it closes below this little order block. If price retraces back, you can put your stop loss here, because you already have a projected low, let's say. The problem is when you enter in the middle of the retracement and you don't know where the hell price is going to, because sometimes it happens, you know, but it's not like you can do something. So here it closes below this order block. You know, this order block has a long wick. You could open here. Well, not here technically, but You know, that's the issue. So I will wait until I see price leave, let's say, this long wick. Sorry, this long candle. Oh, long candle. If God is good, it will leave a long bullish body. Please, please, please. Oh my god. Come on. Please leave it there. No, no, no. Come on. Come on. Okay. That will work. Okay, so this is the thing. If price is placed lower, close below, and increase back, this will be my entry, right? Here and right here. It's a little one-to-one, but we trust. If it doesn't close below, it's a good thing because it means that probably price will retrace higher. You know, it's a good thing because we'll have the chance to open higher, more premium, not so discount. What could also happen is that price displays lower and doesn't touch the order block, which may happen. I'm not saying it won't. Okay. Well, it just did. Well, it just left relative equal lows. The previous daily low. So if you're a little lucky, you know, in these situations is it's like price may expand very high or expand very low. Wait, do we have something now? Like, no, we're fine. We don't have Trump speak. Okay, fuck this shit. Okay, anyways, as I said, if you did not open here, you were like here, you were cooked, because I mean this like you can't trust this, you know. Okay. Let's put it that way. Okay, depending on how the 15-minute closes, it'll be bullish or bearish, because we have order block here, we have sell side liquidity here, previous daily low, and if price closes above, so I may start looking for retracements or reversals, because the next objective is this previous daily low. And well, you already have an SMT here, so I'm sure price will go up, but I do not know until what extent will go up. You kidding? we still don't have any entry. Like for me to enter, price should retrace maybe to this high. Really the fuck shit. Put that shit. Okay, maybe I will just leave price do its thing. Then enter shorts or long. Okay, yeah, I think well, I had to I think that was the whole objective of price today, just go down to that daily fair value gap, because here price, well, yeah, there's a little fair value up here, but it's not very relevant. If we are lucky, price will start rejecting these levels. See, one little bullish fair value gap. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, I think like here we have hourly fair value gap. Okay, there's no way you could enter here. Definitely, like, totally impossible. Anyways, we have tomorrow's trading day, so we have a chance to trade tomorrow. Okay, again, this isn't, oh no, 17 now. Here, price both funds. No, I think there's no SMT. No. Well, yeah, here we have a little SMT price. You see this swing low, the bearish candle. One took it and the other one didn't. Okay, so finally something nice. Min threshold of daily fair value gap. I will do a short term time, 5 minutes. We have this. I have this first percentage fair value gap, but I do not care about it. So let's go. Okay, in first place, I would like to see this 2 minute getting burst. It's true that we burst this one and this little one. So I had two options. Would I wait for a retracement and then open short again, or this is a reversal and open long? We have those two options. Okay, so price right now is not giving me the best fucking price action. Like, are we short? Are we long? What the fuck are we? So if price, let's say it again, if price inverses this, sorry, if it close below this and inverses this 1 minute, I think I will go short, because we have, yeah, that's something. So we have oh my god, it's not looking good. Okay, this would be also a nice entry right here. My 4 minute CISD, which is much better than 2 or 1 minute. Check this out. Okay, we'll be aiming to such a nice price action. The best price action ever. Let's check out something. No, price is not reached there. But I'm not very sure about this. Not what I expected. Like, this displacement is fine, but this retracement is a little too much. It's like sweep placement up. Like if you see it, like this is a sweep, and no. No, this won't go lower. This will, no, this will retrace in higher time frame. I'm sure about it. Totally sure. Like, no. I don't, because like, yeah, we did reach here in 3 minutes this CSD, but it's like too much. It's like sweeping and leaving these 2 weeks. And the same here. Over this previous daily low. Yeah, we did also reach up to this 5-minute CSD. Like, now I might be wrong, yeah, I accept it, but I just didn't like the structure of it. Just way too many displacements, and that's exactly what happened out here. If you see yesterday, what happened yesterday? Displacement. Like, you don't have a clear like way. You don't have a clear direction of price. So if you're here, you see, oh yeah, let's buy, and you buy in the retracement, you get cooked because, well, you're not bullish. Price was just ranging. I feel like price will do something similar here. So first reason why I didn't open here. First, I know we're bully. Sorry, I know we're bearish, but I wasn't completely sure that price was going to reach this objective, the minus 1.5, and if it does, I mean, it was 60 pips, 60 pips. Yeah, there is price reaching. It would have been a nice trade. I don't think it was high probability trade. Yeah, fuck myself. There's the trade. Yeah, I don't know. You know, sometimes you have this weird instinct, like saying no, don't take that trade. Well, but sometimes it happens. Sometimes you have it, sometimes you don't. And you could apply the same here. Well, you already did. You could open right here. This is all continuation, alright? This is all continuation trades. And sometimes you can use the Fibonacci retracement just to aim for levels. Like you don't have to, like you shouldn't depend on it, but when you have these like weird structures in which you don't know exactly where price will go, you could use this, or just for high like for all-time highs, when price make all-time highs, you could use this because like just to aim for levels after a retracement, and it actually works pretty well. Alright, put the time frame we already reached for this fucking fair value gap. Same fair value gap here. Now I wanna see some real retracements. No more bullshit. Wait. Like sometimes, as I said before in other videos, you could get angry for not trading in any of these trades. Like you have many opportunities. Well, you have maybe 2, 3, and if you didn't, it's fine. Like it happened to me before. I should take the whole expansion. It did happen to me just like right now. It's fine. Like, yeah, I'm a little like sometimes you're like, oh, I could have entered this trade and made like, I don't know, 600 bucks, 2 racks, 4 or 5. But when you see ICT sessions, like ICT videos, and you listen to him, or at least that's what I learned in the 2022 ICT entry model, like the list of videos of 43 videos in which he was saying all the time, like, don't rush to enter in a trade because you have like every 15 minutes fair value up creates, and you could enter in any of those. So I'm on the 10 a.m. macro time, and I have another macro, but we're fine because price already liquid, so we don't need more liquidity. It's not like it's bank holidays, you know. So we have one more hour to trade, and in that hour I can promise you all that there's ton of opportunities, so I don't rush. I just search for the best opportunity, and maybe I should start thinking on these little opportunities. As I said before, you could have entered here, price, have retraced it, and aimed for, I know, this little fair value up. You had a lot, like in half an hour, you have 140 pips. So I should start, you know, you see here, this is USD, here's price is placing lower. After price is placed lower, here you have price respecting this 1 minute CISD. And it's fine if it reaches a little higher. You can have that deviation, if ever. That's right. So now I'll just wait for price to restructure a little. You know, it already rebalance this 15 minute fair value. And I know we're bearish, as I said before, but at some time, at any moment, price will retrace higher. Maybe a little higher, maybe, I don't know, to the lower quadrant of the whole movement. Like you have this expansion leg, maybe price will just retrace up to 25,731, you know, and then continue lower. But that little retracement, you could use it actually. So if you're bullish or if you wanna enter in a retracement, first of all, I will open the 1 minute, and this situation, I will wait for price. Like, for example, in this case, if I wanted to see price retrace here, go higher, I would have waited for price to reverse here, retrace a little, respect this fair value gap, and then expand higher and break this 1 minute CASD higher, then enter on the retracement. That and maybe 60 pips, 70 pips. So here is the same. What could happen here is like you just surprise, entering this fair value gap like barely, but it did. So if price, you have this bearish or the block. If I see price is placing high, sorry for a little time. If I see price expanding high, reaching for this 1 minute fair value gap, tracing low, respecting fair value gaps, and then expanding higher, I would like to open there. But maybe just like maybe now it will just range for some time because well it displays a lot, so it's it's like a heavy discount. And if I want to see price retrace, it will be just to the upper quadrant, and between the upper quadrant and like here, this 15-minute fair value gap. The 5 minute, it will look like this. If I'm aiming to retrace somewhere, I will just aim here, because it's like in these kind of days, if price is not reversing, price will only retrace a little. It's not very common that price retrace all the way up to 50% equilibrium, go to premium, and then displays lower. So yeah, if I'm bullish, I mean, if I'm trading the retracement, because I did not have the opportunity to trade the expansion because of any reason, you know, there you go, expansion, and here we could enter on these two levels if price closes above. So we have these two levels, or maybe just the bodies, but I don't know, I will put some music because I don't know, I want to listen to music. Oh shit. It's not displacing higher. That's alright. Like in the 30 seconds or 15 seconds second time frame, maybe here you have a fair value gap. So this is my objective. 5 minutes. What you could also see in accumulations or reversal is price sweeping the last low. Like if price was displacing lower and you want to see a retracement, maybe price will sweep again the last low or make an SMT like here. That's also valid, and then expand higher. So this could be understood as a little reversal. So if I'm entering long, I'll see price close above these highs. All the values you see here, I want to see price close above that. Maybe it will expand way too much because you have a lot of volume here. But maybe if we see a retracement on this high, maybe I'm asking for too much here. But like even if I put it here, that's fine. 1 to 5. 2 RR trade. That's all right. It's fine for me. Let's check out this. Okay, I trust this trade. Okay, why it's not executing? Why no? Whoa, yo. Why it's not executing? I don't know if it was a problem. I don't know if price directly did not like took the order, or like maybe he did, but alright, maybe it's not the best. Maybe it wasn't the best idea, actually. Sometimes I hate trading view for that. Like it gives you those delays. Bro, what the fuck? I don't get it. Why is that? Oh my god, so nice. I don't know what's wrong with this. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi. I don't know if it's what. But I think I will just open like one click. Oh my god. Okay, the same thing. If you're bearish. You know, the problem sometimes if you put a limit order, price won't even, like if you put a limit order, sometimes price won't like, wait, hold on. Um, guys, I just arrived. Like, so I had to leave. My bad, I had to leave. The fuck is happening? Like, literally, I had to leave, and oh my, the fuck is this? Like, I had to leave, cause my mom called me for something. Like, I had to accompany her. So, like, nah, bro. I had to accompany her somewhere. What the fuck? And like, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this shit. There's many things wrong with this. Come on, close this shit. Why is not closing fucking position? Huh? I I really don't understand. The fuck is wrong with this? Like, how am I supposed to close this? Literally. Like, I can't even set a TP. There you go. Finally, I close it. I'm up $5. Okay, this was a complete disaster. Is there any way I could open this properly? Like, the next the proper trade should be this, right? That should be a nice trade, and we're almost in the 11 AM macro. I don't get this. I really don't get this. Even in the 15-minute, this is kind of valid. Okay, we have an SMT right there. So we may not. I mean, we had a lot of SMTs along the way. Just like it bothers me or something. But what it could happen is that price won't come back up to that high. But I will try anyways. I will wait if price does retrace back. It will be my trade of the day because all the rest was bullshit. Literally, this was bullshit. I don't know what the fuck happened there. Like, it opened super late. Stalled me out there. And I don't know what happened. But yeah, if price does come back here, I'll be searching for this. One, oh shit. I wasn't expecting that. So much expansion. How much expansion? Oh shit. I mean, I think I will just close this now because it's not giving any. Yeah, I will close this. It's not giving any. No. I will close this, and tomorrow I will make a video about like tomorrow's trade, which will probably be bearish. Which will probably be bearish. Yeah. And yeah, I have nothing to say. Just first of all, fuck you, TradingView. What's this shitty delivery? Like, it's not that hard. It's just fucking demo trading. Come on. And second of all, I hope you could enjoy whatever you saw, and I don't know, we'll try luck tomorrow. Hope price delivers properly. And yeah, that's it. Good luck to everyone. See you tomorrow.